Hi guys, welcome to ITRXpert again.
In this video of the ITRXCEL course, Jay will introduce the search functions in Excel.
As you know, Excel is packed with powerful tools, and its search functions are no exception. Imagine having the ability to instantly find that elusive piece of data you've been hunting for, even within different sheets. That's the magic of Excel search. In exercise 24, we're going to unlock the secrets of efficient data retrieval, covering different options and possible combination of Excel searching functions, such as VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, and the combination of index and match. Let's discover how to quickly and accurately locate the information you need, supercharging your productivity. The most used function is VLOOKUP, which is composed by 4 blocks and stand for vertical lookup. It looks vertically for a lookup value in the first column of the table or range selected. It will find the content of the cell between the row where the lookup value is and the column specified in the formula, returning its content. For example, look up a price of an automotive part by the part number, or find an employee name based on their employee ID. Block 1 is what we are looking for. Block 2 requires the references of the table. In this block we just need to select the table, and Excel will write the reference of the first cell, the reference of the last cell. Block 3 is the column number. We need to find the position of the column, starting counting from 1, which is the first column of the table. In block 4 we need to type false. You will find some examples in the answer sheet of the function or by pausing the video in this section. HLOOKUP is similar to VLOOKUP, also composed by 4 blocks and stand for horizontal lookup. It looks horizontally for a lookup value in the first row of the table or range selected. It will find the cell between the column where the lookup value is and the row specified in the formula, returning its content. For example, can be used to look up sold units of an automotive part, when all parts are in the top row, like the example in the answer sheet. Block 1 is what we are looking for. Block 2 requires the references of the table. In this block we just need to select the table, and Excel will write the reference of the first cell, the reference of the last cell. Block 3 is the row number. We need to find the position of the row by starting our count from 1, which is the first row of the table. In block 4 we need to type false. Again, find an example in the answer sheet or pause the video. XLOOKUP is a new and more powerful function, which search both vertically and horizontal, composed by 6 blocks. Instead of looking inside a table, XLOOKUP looks for a lookup value inside the lookup range of cell, finding the cell at the same column or row inside the returning array. It will return the value of that cell. This formula can be used for any types of search. Only the first 3 blocks are mandatory. Block 1 is what we are looking for. In block 2, we select the range of cells where we look for the lookup value. In block 3, we select the range of cells from where we want to extract the information. The other blocks are optional. Block 4, similarly to the if-error function, offers the opportunity to set a value to return in case of error. Block 5 asks for the match mode. Usually we type 0, which is the exact match. In block 6, we need to decide the type of search. Usually we will use 1, which is a normal search. Please have a look at the examples in the answer sheet. Similarly to the XLOOKUP function, to be able to search both vertically and horizontally, we could use the index function combined with match. The index function return a value from within a table of range. The match function find the position of a cell inside a range, which can be used from index to return the value of a cell. The index function is composed by 3 blocks. Block 1 is the table or array selection. Block 2 is the row number. Block 3 is the column number. The match function is composed by 3 blocks. Block 1 is the lookup value. Block 2 is the lookup array. Block 3 is the match type, usually 0, which is the exact match. The formula index allows you to specify either only column or row or both, so you could also use one match formula to identify the row and one match to identify the column, making this formula very powerful, as you can have two lookup values. To see this formula more in details and better understanding, please watch the video called Combining and Nesting Formulas. At last, there are other functions that can be nested together, such as choose, that sets a variable, which allow to select among different ranges of cells, and indirect, which can returns the reference specified by a text string. By nesting and combining formulas, it is possible to solve very complex problems and perform very efficient searches inside the spreadsheet.
Amazing overview, Jay. Searching formulas are the most challenging. So, let's keep up with the good work.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.